Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and doing great at homes. So today we are going to start our new chapter of biology, chapter number 6, and the name of chapter is enzyme. So before starting the chapter and topic, we will must get familiar with the word enzymes. Enzymes are actually protein in nature, and when we want to start a chemical reaction we must need enzymes. So the life of a living organisms is a reflection of what is going on in their bodies. You can take example of this line as when it is too much warm outside and in your surroundings or in your atmosphere, and then your body must start sweating. So that's the reflection of outer atmosphere in your bodies. Metabolism is the set of the other definition is about metabolism. Metabolism, in simple wording, the definition of metabolism will be like that the reaction that must be needed to maintain life. If you want to maintain your life, then in your body the reaction of metabolism must be needed. Metabolism is the set of biochemical reaction. Biochemical, it will be included biological like living, and also it will be included in chemicals. Biochemicals, the mixture of both bio and chemical. Bio and chemistry. Biochemical reaction that occur in living organisms in order to maintain life. That was the definition of metabolism. Now the other question can become in your exams like difference between anabolism and catabolism. So anabolism includes the biochemical reaction in which larger molecules are synthesized, while catabolism includes the biochemical reaction in which larger molecules are broken down. In anabolism, larger molecules are synthesized, while in catabolism, larger molecules are broken down. You can learn it by a simple tip like catabolism is started with the word C, and broken down, cut down also start with C. So catabolism are the reactions, biochemical reactions in which larger molecules are broken down or cut down. Usually energy is released in catabolism and utilized in anabolism. The reason is that when we want to break something, energy must be needed. Like you want to break a piece of chair or you wanted to break anything, you must have energy for that work. So same is the case with anabolism and catabolism. In anabolism, energy must be utilized, and in catabolism, energy must be released. Enzymes are crucial to metabolism. Crucial mean too much sensitive. Enzymes are crucial to metabolism because they act as a biocatalyst. Bio mean life or a living, and catalyst mean the things that break down, the process in which things are broken down. So enzymes act as a biocatalyst, like they can cut or they can break down the living things or living parts and speed up and regulate metabolic pathway. Enzymes are very crucial, they are very sensitive because they act as biocatalysts. They can cut the living things and speed up and regulate and fasten the metabolic pathway or the process through which metabolic occur. The first metabolism, now they are telling us about the history of anabolism and catabolism reaction. The term metabolism is derived from Greek word meaning change. The meaning of the metabolism is change. The concept of metabolism was first of all given by Ibn Nafis, who stated that the body and its part are always undergoing change. You can take example from your daily life, like your any body part. You can suppose your finger. When your finger cuts off or through any position or point, it can be regenerated and it can be again recovered, and same because the whole process and the body is always in the process of changing. Enzymes are protein that catalyze means speed up or break down. Enzymes are protein that catalyze, for example, speed up biochemical reaction and or not change during reaction. This is the property of enzymes, that enzymes can't be changed in process of any reaction. They can be breakdown, they can be formed, but they can't be changed. They can be utilized, they can be released, but they can't change. The molecules at which enzymes are called act in which enzymes act are called substrate. Like you can take the example of substrate as reactant. The things that are going to participate in a reaction is called substrate, and enzymes convert them into different molecules called product. Like when you can take example, like you are making tea. In the necessity things for making tea should be milk, tea bag, and water plus sugar. These are the substrate. These things, while when we talk about enzymes, are substrate. And the tea itself, when you put tea into any cup or anything, that is the product. That is the product. That is the whole mixture of all the things that are making substrate. So same is the case with enzymes. Next is all chemicals reactions requires activation energy. Activation mean to make active. You can take example like when you get up early in the morning, if you don't have take your dinner, then you can't woke up as with that energy, so you have to take breakfast. That fulfill your all requirement whole the day. Same is the case with enzymes. All chemical reaction activation energy. Activation energy is that energy that start or that activate the reaction. That is called activation energy. It is defined as the minimum energy required to start a reaction. Whenever you want to start a reaction, you must have to provide a minimum amount of energy. That energy is called activation energy. Enzymes lowers such barriers by decreasing the requirement of activation energy. If you use enzymes in a reaction, the benefit of enzymes would be that they lower such barriers, like if there is any barrier, there is any hurdle that increase the energy, so enzymes will lower that barriers by decreasing the requirement of activation energy. If you don't have activation energy, then you can use enzymes. That enzymes will act as activation energy, and they will also, other benefit is that they also decrease the energy. Not that much amount of energy is needed as in the absence of enzymes. Thus in presence of enzyme, when enzymes are present, reaction proceed at a faster rate. This is the other benefit of using enzyme. When you use enzymes, the reaction will be faster. That was our lecture for today, and if you have any further question, you can contact to your WhatsApp group. Take care of yourself and your parents. Allah Hafiz.